I don't have
Let me get your ID. Shut the f*** up. I got it.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we got a good one, guys. We're diving into a gripping case captured on Bodycam footage that highlights the legal consequences of poor decision making during a traffic stop. It's more than just a story about running from the law. It's an opportunity to break down the charges, explore Illinois laws, and discuss the levels of evidence that play a role in criminal cases. If you've ever wondered what reasonable suspicion or beyond a reasonable doubt really mean, this lecture's for you. Let's start with the clip and then we'll unpack everything.
Pull over in the gas station parking lot. Pull over in the gas station parking lot. Central 808 traffic stop. Marathon gas station parking lot. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Oh, you stopped me?
Yeah, I stopped you.
What?
Because of that turn you did. Give me your driver's license and your insurance.
Okay. I got it. I'll finna get some gas, that's all.
Or you know what, step out of the car. Go ahead, step out of the car. Put your hands on the car.
I just got off work.
Okay.
Just got off work.
Okay, guys. You got your driver's license insurance? Why are you acting nervous?
Because I ain't know you stopped me.
Well, why did you turn in front of everybody?
I turned to get some gas.
Alright, man. Let me get your insurance. When's the last time you smoked marijuana?
I don't smoke.
Okay.
Smoke
you don't smell that?
I don't smoke or drink.
So where's that weed coming from?
I don't know. I don't smoke or drink, sir. I don't smoke or drink. Just got off work. I work for people gas. I can't smoke or drink. I don't smoke or drink. So I'm acting nervous. I got it. I got it.
Hey, is this your car? Is this your car? Is that weed coming out of your car?
I don't have no weed, sir.
Okay, open the door.
Sir, I don't have no. This not my car, sir.
Whose car is it?
This is my homie car. Hold on, I'm finna call him. That's not weed coming out my car.
There's a bag of weed on the front seat right there.
Sir, that's not my car, man.
Let me get your ID.
I don't have no ID.
Let me get your ID.
Sir, I don't have no
Let me
ID.
get your ID. Central 808 foot pursuit male black pants, red shirt, running eastbound. He's holding his waistband, running eastbound Southwest Highway. Stop! 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 You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased!
There he is. There he is. He's westbound on Columbus. 4800 block. He's still holding his waistband. Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands right now! Give him your fucking hand!
You're gonna get tased by that.
Central 633, we got one detained.
One detained, 1728 hours.
Hey Bob, is that white car involved in your squad?
No, that should be a Impala.
Stand up.
A1 car tonight, next flight at the crossing.
He's got a gun. It's in his waistband.
Yeah, this guy's got a fucking gun on him.
He's got a gun. It's in his waistband.
Yeah, this guy's got a fucking gun on him.
It's falling down.
What?
It's falling down here.
I got it.
Hey, whoever's at that gas station, there was a female black that ran into the store. I didn't see her come out of the car. I don't know why she's running.
Stop fucking moving!
I couldn't tell.
I got scissors too.
She ran across the box driver.
Shut the fuck up! I got it.
She's 6'3".
Shut the fuck up! I got it.
She's 6'3". There's 2 for cover.
Ground floor, there's 0 cover 1729.
Yeah, he's got narcotics all over the fucking car.
393 Central, another domestic at 9329 major holding.
There was about 7 ounces of weed packaged in 13 individual bags, 16 bars of Xanax, and 5 grams of shrooms found in the center console of the vehicle.
One of these children has a knife.
About another quarter ounce of weed was located in plain view on the passenger's seat. Overall, the amount of weed seized weighed in at 201 grams.
Look at all this shit.
Have you put him in this car yet?
He's got the key and he was going into the car.
I mean, is there video? There's video, you're gonna want it now.
A 200-count box of sandwich bags was located. Nothing else of evidentiary value was found in the trunk.
Now that you've seen the footage, let's analyze the legal issues and charges involved. In Illinois, here are the charges this suspect is facing and what they mean. Possession of cannabis with the intent to deliver. Illinois law allows adults to possess up to 30 grams of cannabis for personal use. However, possession exceeding this limit, especially with packaging materials like sandwich bags, can elevate charges to intent to deliver. In this case, over 200 grams of cannabis were found, along with packaging materials, triggering this felony charge. Possession of a controlled substance with intent to deliver. Drugs like Xanax and psilocybin shrooms are classified as controlled substances. Possession of these substances in significant amounts, especially packaged for distribution, leads to a serious felony charge. Aggravated unlawful use of a weapon. Illinois law prohibits possessing a firearm without a FOID, F-O-I-D card, or using it during the commission of a felony. The suspect was carrying an illegal weapon, escalating this charge. Armed violence. Committing a felony while armed turns a regular offense into armed violence, a Class X felony with mandatory prison time. Resisting or obstructing a peace officer. Running from police and refusing lawful commands fits this charge, which is a Class A misdemeanor. Each of these charges carries serious consequences, but they also require the prosecution to prove specific elements beyond a reasonable doubt. Let's discuss how evidentiary standards play a role here. In every case, evidence must meet certain thresholds depending on legal actions being taken. Let's go through the 6 levels of evidence with examples relevant to this case. Number 1, mere suspicion. This is a hunch or a gut feeling without factual support. An example is the officer smells marijuana but hasn't yet observed it in plain view. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. Specific and articulable facts that suggest criminal activity is afoot. A good example is an officer sees marijuana in plain view on the seat, confirming the smell wasn't baseless. Number 3, probable cause. Sufficient evidence to justify an arrest or a search. A good example is the marijuana in plain view combined with the suspect's nervous behavior, provided probable cause to search the vehicle. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. This means more likely than not, 51%, that the claim is true. A good example is, in civil forfeiture cases, the state must show that it's more likely than not that the seized cash was connected to drug trafficking. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. A higher standard than preponderance, but less than beyond a reasonable doubt. A good example is during a suppression hearing. Clear and convincing evidence might be required to show the officer's search was lawful under the Plain View Doctrine. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. This is the highest standard required for criminal convictions. A good example is to convict the suspect of the crime of the intent to deliver. The prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the drugs were not for personal use, but intended for distribution. So, what can we learn from this? Every step in this traffic stop demonstrates how quickly situations can escalate when poor decisions are made, from possession of cannabis to resisting arrest. The law has built-in thresholds to ensure fairness and accountability. The bodycam footage not only shows the legal process in action, but also reminds us of the importance of knowing our rights and the potential consequences of breaking the law. Thank you for joining me today on Advocacy Alchemy. If you found this breakdown helpful, leave a comment below and let's start a larger discussion. I read every comment and I look forward to hearing from you. With that, this is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross, and I'll see you tomorrow. You have a good day.